Good morning, boys and girls. Let's go ahead and get right into our math lesson. Our content objective today is students will be able to do long division problems step by step. So here are the steps to do long division. We go D, M, S, B, S. These stand for divide, multiply, subtract, bring down, start over. Then I like to put symbols next to my words. Divide, multiply, subtract, bring down, start over. So those are the things that we're going to learn today, how we're going to do a long division problem. Let's go ahead and start our first one. Who can tell me the definition of division? Yes, Rebecca. Very good. Division is where we divide things into groups. How many of you can tell me what long division is? 1, 2, 3. Oh, a few of you can. Very good. Why is long division important for us to know? Ralph. Yes, Ralph. Long division is important for us to know so we can divide up things that are important among our lives. Yesterday, we learned about dividing two-digit numbers by one-digit numbers. Last week, we learned how to divide one-digit by one-digit numbers. Today, we are going to learn about how to do long division using words with symbols to remember the steps, an acronym to help us remember the steps. We're going to work on some example problems, and we're going to draw out a semantic map to put in our math journals. So let's get started with our first problem. Divide, multiply. I want you writing this in your math journals, ladies and gentlemen. Oops. Bring down, and start over. Okay, the first problem we're going to do is 4,733 divided by 2. Alrighty, so first thing we do is we're going to divide. We look at our first number right here, the 4. And we go 4 divided by 2. What's 4 divided by 2? Yes, 2. So I'm going to put 2 right above here. Then I multiply. 2 times 2 is 4. I put my 4 right underneath the other 4. Then I draw my line. After I multiply, I subtract. Put my subtraction here. 4 minus 4 is what? Yes, 0. Put my 0 there. Then I bring down. So I'm going to bring down my 7 and put it right there. And then I start over. So I start over by going back up here to divide. So then I divide my new number, 7 divided by 2. What's 7 divided by 2? Yes, 3. My 3 right here. Then I multiply. 3 times 2 is what? Yes, 6. Put my 6 right under the 7. Always line up your numbers. It's very important. And then after I multiply, I subtract. 7 minus 6 is 1. 0 minus nothing is 0. After I subtract, I bring down. So I look at my next number. I bring down the 3. These arrows really help me remember what numbers I've already used. And I put the 3 next to my 1. And then I start over with divide. 13 divided by 2. What's 13 divided by 2? Yes, 6. I'm going to put my 6 right above the 3. Then I do what? Yes, multiply. 6 times 2 is what? Yes, 12. I'm going to put my 12 right underneath here, and then we subtract. 3 minus 2 is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. 0 minus nothing is 0. After I subtract, I bring down. So we're doing the same steps over and over again with long division. Make sure you always go in the correct order. After I bring down, I start over with divide. 13 divided by 2 is what? Yes, 6. Put my 6 right here. Then I multiply. 6 times 2 is what? Yes, 12. Put that there, and then we subtract. 3 minus 2 is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. 0 minus nothing is 0. 0 minus nothing is 0. And then I bring down. Oh, I don't have any more numbers to bring down, so we are all done with our problem. Now, when we have nothing else to bring down, we have a number right down here. And this number is a remainder. These are like leftovers, and so we just put them right up here with the problem because we still have one left over. And so we do a remainder of 1. So 4,733 divided by 2 is 2,366, remainder 1. Nice job, everybody. Let's do one more problem together. This time, I want you to put it in your math journals. So have a clean page for your math journals, and at the top, I want you to write long division. Next problem is 5,671 divided by 6. 5 divided by 6. Remember, we're dividing. 5 divided by 6. Oh, this number is too big. So when this number is bigger than this number right here, then we have to put a 0 above it because it cannot be divided into it. So 5 divided by 6 is 0. Then we multiply. 0 times 6 is 0. Put my 0 there, and then we do what? Yes, subtract. 5 minus 0 is 5. We bring down our 6. Put it right there. Start over with divide. 56 divided by 6. So 56 divided by 6, 9. Then we multiply. 9 times 6 is 54. My 54 there, and subtract. Make sure your numbers are lined up. Very important. 6 minus 4. Yes, 2. I'm going to put my 2 here. And then what do? Yes, bring down. Put my 7 right next to my 2. Then we start over with divide. 27 divided by 6. What's 27 divided by 6? Yes, 4. Then we multiply. 4 times 6 is 24. Put it here and subtract. What's 7 minus 4? Yes, 3. 2 minus 2? Yes, 0. After I subtract, I bring down. Bring down our 1. Love my arrows. They help me out a lot. Then we start over with divide. 31 divided by 6. What's 31 divided by 6? Yes, 5. My 5 at the top. 5 times 6 is what? Yes, 30. I'm going to put 30 right here underneath. And then we do what? Yes, subtract. Good job, everyone. 1 minus 0 is 1. 3 minus 3 is 0. 0 minus nothing is 0. I love it. My next step is bring down. Oh, I have no numbers to bring down. We're all done. So since we're all done, we come down, and what is this called? A remainder. This is our remainder right here. And always remember, your remainder has to be smaller than this number out here. So 1 is smaller than 6, so then we're done. So then we put in R1 for remainder 1. 5,671 divided by 6 is 945, remainder 1. Good job, everybody. Alrighty, now let's keep our math journals out because we are going to learn an acronym that goes right along with our long division. So just like these letters, we're going to write these letters right here. DMSBS. There's a cute little thing that goes along with it. It's called, does McDonald's serve burgers on Sunday? Does McDonald's serve burgers on Sunday? Pretty cool, huh? So see how we have DMSBS over here? Divide, multiply, subtract, bring down, start over. It's the same thing over here, but we got a cute little story. Does McDonald's serve burgers on Sunday? So I want you to take a moment and put all of that right next to each other. This one right here and this one right here. So you have your acronym. And then you have your division steps. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to do our semantic math. So, on your desk, I put a blank piece of paper. You are going to pick up that blank piece of paper, and right in the center, you're going to draw a big circle. I want a big circle like this because you're going to write long division in the center. Then we're going to branch off. So we're going to branch off like this, and we're going to go, number one, what's the first step in long division? Yes, divide. Good job, everyone. You guys are so smart. So I want you to put number one, divide, and then I want you to put the symbol right there for divide. What's the second step, everyone? Yes, multiply. So you're going to write multiply and a time sign, and then you're going to put a circle around it, just like that. What's our third step? Yes, subtract. With a symbol. Don't forget your subtraction sign there. And then put your bubble. What's my fourth step? Yes, bring down. And we have an arrow. What's my fifth step? Yes, start over. You're going to put a circle, and then you're going to put your arrow going from start over to your number one box for divide. There is your semantic math. Isn't that a wonderful idea right there? Excellent. So today we learned about how to do long division step by step. This lesson was important because we need to be able to divide things for everyday life. For example, we need to be able to budget our money so that the money we get every month is divided up between all the things we will pay for. Students, I'm going to give you an exit card to complete one long division problem before I excuse you out for recess. The problem will be posted on the board. Here are your exit cards. Your problem for your exit card is 3,695 divided by 4. When you're done with your problem, please give me your exit card and you may be excused for recess.